Every one of you? Okay, very good. Then today we are going to study the topic that replacement of cost of the fixed asset of an electricity company. We have taken two illustrations for these two class. First illustration 10 in the particular chapter of development and written by me, that is good. Then that illustration 10 you have to take and find out how it should be treated. Journal entries are there, I feel, that you can ignore, and that also you can read later, but we can come to the particular replacement of that. So for that, anyone can read this one. That can you read first that illustration? Read that illustration. You read.
Electricity Company Limited has decided to replace the existing power station and connecting lines during 2017. In order to replace the station, the company purchased material worth rupees 5,50,000
Yes.
and incurred labor cost of rupees 2,20,000. In addition to this cost of stores worth rupees 1 lakh were used from the existing cost of the supervisory overhead was rupees 1,25,000. The sale of scrap of the discarded materials was for rupees 30,000. The cost of erection of the existing station during 2022 was rupees 2 lakh. The index of cost at present when computed to 2022 is 450. Pass necessary journal entries to record the above transactions.
Okay, very good. This is easy problem. But here that actual cost is to be calculated according to the given value. And that what is the cost of that? What is the cost, real cost of that in the beginning? What is the real cost in the beginning? This problem, which student read, you find that the actual cost being 2 lakh. Then other information given is that the construction of that building, that labor cost, material cost, overhead cost, supervisory cost. Supervisory also in overhead, separately given, costing all. That is given. Total of that you are taking means actual cost of replacement. That cost you can find. First 2 lakh is here. Second one is the present cost of the that value according to the price index. So you will find the first one is that actual cost 2 lakh. Then that present value of the cost seems to be 2 lakh into 450 by 100 equal to rupees 9 lakh. Understand? Now you have to calculate the value of the replacement cost, actual cost. So anyone can read that particular the cost, replacement cost, how it is calculated. First one, last first. How the replacement is cost calculated, material cost. That material cost also, here I think, yes, you read.
Current replacement cost. Cost of power station as on 2002, 2 lakh. Current replacement cost 2 lakh into 450 divided by 100.
Okay, next one I think, yes.
Charge to revenue. Current replacement cost 9 lakh minus sale of discarded materials 30,000.
Yes, okay.
Charge to capital cost of new work 5,50,000 plus 2 lakh 20,000 plus 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 25,000.
How much that is?
9 lakh 95,000.
9 lakh 95,000 is that replacement cost. Okay.
Minus replacement value 9 lakh. Total amount to be capitalized 95,000.
Okay, correct. Yes, it is. Here we find that replacement cost is 9 lakh 95,000, whereas the present value is 9 lakh, and the actual cost was 2 lakh, and the 9 lakh should be revenue written up, and what would be the capital item is 9 lakh 95,000 minus 9 lakh, that is 95,000. Okay, that's all. Thank you.